dikakanyo dintle, good ideas, dikakanyo dintle, imiqondo emihle, Gulf Air from Bahrain via Qatar to King Shaka International Airport once a week. I think it would be a great idea to consider that. Durban is the third largest city here in South Africa. It's the entrance into the Zulu Kingdom, so I think it would be a great idea to connect with Bahrain via Qatar because it has been connected with Qatar from 2015. How about ailing Bahrain? You might actually want to consider that because King Shaka International has forever been called international when it's actually half regional. And Durban is a major city in South Africa facing the east, so I think it would be a great idea to have flights from Bahrain using Gulf Air, which is more of a connecting flights, connecting Arab countries. That's what I think. What do you think? I think it's a great idea. Just consider that. It's very limited when it comes to international flights, so Bahrain can be an addition to what it already is. Everyone is entitled to their own opinion. What's actually fascinating is that Bahrain and Qatar have got very similar flags. It can be from Manama via Doha, which is a major city in Qatar, to King Shaka International, not even connected via OR Tambo, once a week. It has got very frequent flights to Qatar, so I think you might want to consider that. That's just my opinion. Durban is a major city, and King Shaka International, it's 2 times the distance of the old Durban International, also previously called as Bridgeport. It's in the opposite direction. So for people to understand why it was relocated so far, it has to develop continuously, bit by bit. That's just my opinion. And you can see even the t-shirt I'm wearing, it pretty much has got the old Gulf Air Prince pattern, those stripes. Just consider that. That's just my opinion. Everyone is entitled to their own opinion, but I think it might be a very good idea to actually consider that. Focus more on the east, because South Africa currently doesn't have flights to Bahrain. Then King Shaka can lead on that because it has always been left behind, and people get discouraged having to travel the extra distance to get onto flights. They always have to connect via Johannesburg. entitled to their own opinion, but I personally think it would work best. Then people will understand why they have to take the longer distance. A Gulf Air was actually more of a connecting kind of like connecting Arab countries. You find that when it gets better and better, then they can end up having Bahrain Airlines. What do you think? I think it will be a good idea. Start gradually. One thing leads to another. One thing leads to another. But it's clear that Gulf is pretty much the main, because it's a small country, it's an island.
But baby, we both know this is not a time. It's time to say goodbye until we meet again. 'Cause this is not the end. It will come a day when we will find out.
You see, the flags look very much similar, so it should match. The Karachi is great, yes. Gulf Air from Bahrain via Qatar to King Shaka International Port. Hashtag from Manama via Doha to Devon. I think it's a great idea. Consider it.